Hello. Welcome to day 24. We are going to see update for the 29th November. Please take a moment and read the disclaimers and most commonly mistake. And if you aware that I made one video on top of this regarding this how we performed in November 2024. If you missed that, just go and see that. It may be little bit longer video, but it will be worth, I feel. Please go through that video. And this is the initial setup which we started with. The initial amount will be 1 lakh, and we made some profit out of that, so we bought gold and we pledged that, so that's a amount it's showing, pledged amount. And we are using only those money, and buffer money currently 50,000 I kept, but I am going to increase that to 1 lakh. Currently I'm not using it, but it's a good to have 1 lakh. If 50 percentage, 50% we need to utilize, 50% we should not utilize, and we will keep it as a backup. So currently I'm not not added to the account also, but when require I can immediately add this amount. That's what I meant here. And in the last 1 month also I haven't used this amount. And risk reward, last time 1.5% we were doing it, and more than that also sometime we went, but this time we reduced it to 1. uh, so that's the thing we made, did that. And maximum loss allowed will be 2k to 7k, but currently here it's showing an NA, and here and all it's showing NA. Reason I will tell you. The maximum profit will be 10,850. So if there is maximum profit, there should be a maximum loss also. But why it is not mentioned? Current this December series, I took position on different time period, so that's the reason I'm not able to put the exact value. It won't make any sense if I add that value, so it will mislead the thing. So that's the reason. But currently upper side there is not much risk, I can say. It's very good to go, but downside still we have risk, but that is not for the first week. It will be the December end, so before that we will make adjustment. So first position will expire on 5th December. That's first Friday, first Thursday of December. 4 more days will be there. So for that profit will be, I mentioned, if it within the range, but if it goes up or more or something, then in that position it will be loss, but I will manage that with the December end the series. So I will show you once, then you will understand. And this is the profit which we made in the November after removing the fees, and I mentioned it. And this is the unrealized profit we are having as per the current strategy. And same mentioned here, cumulative, this is cumulative. We make sure that it's not only for December, it's from the day one to now, and profit and loss. So and these are all you may know that. And rules we are following: low risk taker, low capital, to strategy allowed once. If 30% capital is lost, the series is considered as end. Adjustment allowed once per day, and not react to everyday option moves. So these are all we need to keep it in mind. Like, we should not change over day trading, or we should not do any greed, or because of greed or fear we should not take in position. And this is the ultimate thing you need. If we lost 30%, then this series is failure. So we need to do all best practices to survey in this. And we are let's see how long we are going. We are, as of now we went to 24. I am not going to cover November thing. November part, if you want to see, yeah, as I said yesterday, I put one detailed video on that, and there you will see all that what happened in the throughout the November. And this is the December 24th, and this I haven't put that. I will put approximately now. It's actually Jan series, so 2 months from now. So I will, but I need to check the exact date. And this is December end, what I said earlier, December end. And this is the first is going to expire is 5th November, and that is 12%. And we received around 102.45 premium for 100 quantity, so it's around 10,245. So this is the amount we are going to as profit. And yesterday we bought only 50 quantity, where it is, it's showing here it is 50 quantity we bought, but now as I know it will go up today, and so we did the average, and in the next 4 days it will consolidate and it will move slowly upwards. That's what I'm thinking. If it goes down also, then we will get the definitely the 10.245 we will get. If it is violently going up more, then only problem comes, and we will lose money only after 24,400, and that's the thing. And whenever it goes up, the profit from this 24,000 CE it will match. So that's the thing. So we won't lose money, and if it goes down, one this will give profit, and another setup I have made. This is only 50 quantity as I again, because I don't want to take 100 now. I will average it once it goes up, and for that in that around 9,000 we will get. So but it is very long, so it won't time take won't work same like this is a current thing. Fifth by fifth it should be in this range, then it is good. If it is 24,400 plus, then we will start making loss. But here you can see by the end of December only this will give this much of profit. I have checked this also. If it went by 2% on 5th December, this position will give much more profit. So no need to worry about that this position 5th December. Downside only we have risk because we put some bulk amount in the 26th December 24,000 CE. So maybe after 1 or 2 weeks I need to adjust that. Either I will adjust this position or I will adjust this position, so that the downside risk will be uh, reduced. These are all creeks based for each individual calendar. So here you can see if delta will be minus 39, and here delta will be 65. So market if it moves violently also we can manage that. But the thing is like here we are having theta minus 620, so that's the thing worrying me. But I won't keep it for a longer time. I will change this position. And Jan you can see all the values are less because it is far out of the current position. Almost 2 months will be there, and this is what happened now from here. And as I said in yesterday's video, 24,000 to 25,000 is the my current expectation, but it might go wrong, it can go down also. So I need to set the strategy as like that, so that I can manage. So that's about today's update. And gold 0.4% it went, and so because of that one maybe few 50 rupees or 100 rupees it went up. And this is the thing, and these are the this is the one we bought it with the money we got it in the November. It's not a fully we bought, but um, I bought at 16,300. After that 3,000, for 3,000 I need to buy more, but I need to do that. And VIX compared to yesterday it went little bit lower only. And that's all about today. I think I covered it, all the things which I want to cover. And this table might help us like what will happen in the near term. And these are all the values by the end of that particular time period. This means 25th December, by the time if it went to 3%, then it will be 32. At the same time, if it goes down, then we will be losing the entire premium which we paid. So what I will do for every week, I will hedge this position like this. So if it goes down, then if it goes down, then I will book profit on this one. If it goes up, then this will become loss, so I will close both the position. So that's all. Thank you.